Hello guys, I finally received the adapter so I can retain the factory USB of the truck to my new radio. So let's install it right away. So we need to start by removing this little mat. Just 2 pins, get in the hole. After that we need to remove those 2 little bolts. Now we need to lift the front of the panel and pull to the front and it get out. So if you remember in the previous video, I already put my USB cable here. This is the USB cable that going in the to the back of the radio, and this is the factory USB connector. So I need to connect those two together. The reason why I need an adapter. So moment of truth, this is the adapter. One side is USB male and the other side is micro USB C5 pin female. So let's see if it works. Fit pretty tight. Now it's connect. Before closing up anything, we will make a test. I'll bring a USB. I want actually to replace the background in the radio. There you go. That's my phone's connecting, but I got some reading on this USB. Yes, file 1, that's resized. As both. So now I just change my background. My image is saved. Now my image is uploaded. So I just upload a new background from the factory USB. So it work. This adapter cost $1.94 on monoprice.com website. This is the setup you aiming for. This cable is the cable that going to the factory USB. This cable is going to my aftermarket radio on the back of the aftermarket radio, connecting to the USB port. And this body here is the adapter I just ordered or just received from monoprice.com. It cost me $2 and it worked like a charm. You just saw. I just upload a new background for my radio using the factory USB, so it worked. And just to make sure it doesn't disconnect with the vibration, I will tape all of it together before putting back the cover. So this way it won't go anywhere. Now time to put back the cover. This is it, like a brand new, like I never touched it, and now my factory USB is working. This is it for now, guys, so please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you will be notified as soon as I will release a new video. On this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Goodbye.